old and I am 10 years old.
My name is Nikos. I'm 11 years old and I live in Daugavpils. I love ice cream and I play football. It's my favorite sport. What is your favorite color? And what is your favorite season? Do you like ice cream?
Hello, my name is Kristina Gitra. I'm 11 years old. I'm from Daugavpils, Latvia. What do you like doing of your free time?
My name is Tereza. I'm 11 years old. I'm from Latvia, Daugavpils. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Hello, my name is Elisa. I live in Latvia, Daugavpils. What's your favorite color? What season do you like? Have you got a pet?
Orange or